are Eric and the Blues Birds. We hail from Rochester, New York. We do our best to play the best blues that we can in a tasteful manner. Over to my left, we got Bucky Bosner on the drums, John Carlino on the bass, on keyboards and vocals, Jonathan Feldman.
Just what you sow. That old saying is true. You gotta reap just what you sow. That old saying is true. The way you mistreat somebody, somebody's gonna mistreat you.
If you'd like to book us at your venue, you can reach us at our website, ericandthebluesbirds.com, or Facebook/ericandthebluesbirds. We'd love to hear from you. We play parties, bars, any place that's rocking.